How to bold text on Instagram bio. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can bold text on your Instagram bio. To do so, first of all, open your Instagram application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged into your account, here you will land on this home page. Here tap on the profile icon at the bottom right, and once you reach your profile page, here tap on this edit profile option. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to your profile editing space. Here tap on this bio and then press and hold the bio, select the text and tap on copy. Once you have copied it, now you will need to open any web browser on your device, and here in the search bar you will need to type in bold text generator. You will need to search for any of the bold text generator website and search for it. You may use any one of these websites. Here you can scroll down and select this bold text generator, which is tools.pixart.com. Once you tap on it, now here you will reach to this official website. Tap on the box and here paste the copied bio. And once you have pasted the bio in this box, you will need to swipe it to the left and select this bold option. And here scroll down to find the one that you'd like to add in your bio. Once you find the one, you will need to simply tap on it and it will be copied. Once it has been copied, now return back to your Instagram page. Here you can simply remove this current bio and paste the new bio. Once you have entered it, tap on the tick mark at the top right. And after doing that, now you can return back. There you will be able to see your bio text which has been bold now. So by following these steps, you should be able to bold text on Instagram bio. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.